Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text in shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop-down menu. We can see here many shape. You can choose any shape. Now I am select the dodecagon. Then draw the dodecagon shape. You can change the fill, outline or add more than effect or style. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Now I am select the shape fill and change the color. You can remove or add the outline color. Now I am remove this. You want to add text, click right button. Select this edit text option and write any text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go back the home menu. Increase the font size. You want to align the text, select the text again and select the alignment. You can align center or middle. Now we can see we align text into shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.